Legendary. Dr. July in the building. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TGH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, straight to today's bars, we have Xandy Kamel slam Serwaa Amihere, advises her to stop being biased towards Strongman. So controversial Kumawood actress Xandy Kamel has taken a swipe at newscaster Serwaa Amihere for being biased towards rapper Strongman. According to the actress, Serwaa Amihere was being biased and hypocritical towards Strongman for asking him to apologize to Fela McAfee for the words he used in his Immortal diss song. She also stated that the AMG rapper Medical also used unprintable words towards Strongman's girlfriend and asked why she's being silent about it. Xandy Kamel warned Serwaa Amihere to be fair if she wants peace to reign between the two artists. Xandy Kamel said, "Serwaa Amihere, I hate people who are biased. Stop being hypocritical, partial, and stop discriminating because it's bad. You are saying that Strongman's words in his diss songs to Medical was an insult and disrespect to women. Excuse me, did you listen to Medical's words in the song? Did you say it was disrespectful? If you want to be a peacemaker, don't be biased. We will not buy this one. Strongman, you do all," she stated. This comes after Serwaa Amihere, who is a newscaster at J-Tran, asked Strongman to apologize to Ghanaian women for disrespecting Fela McAfee in his second diss song to Medical dubbed Immortal. However, her request has received massive backlash from social media users who have the view that Serwaa is in the same business as Fela McAfee and felt offended by Strongman's words. Okay guys, watch the video.
Hi. Serwaa Amihere. Listen, I hate people who are biased. Stop being hypocritical, okay? Stop doing this partiality and discrimination. Please, it is bad. You are saying that Strongman's words in his this song or whatever it is to Medical was an insult and disrespect to women. Excuse me, hello? Did you listen to Medical's words? When Medical was saying that Strongman's girlfriend, Nanama, her pussy was stinking and all that, did you say it was disrespect? Please, madam, go, sleep, and come again. If you want to be the peacemaker, like your sweet mother, Nana Banamwa, then please learn from her, because she's not biased. Please, I'm sorry. This one here, won't buy it. Strongman, you do all.
Okay guys, this has been your Daily Entertainment Bars right on that TGH TV. Please subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Peace out.
I pray for the poor and I pray for the needy. Forgiving the poor and forgiving the needy. Akpenamao.